My name's Joe.
Okay, what are you cosplaying as?
I'm myself, a Ghostbuster. This is my last name. Custom made suit. All this is hand built. We're on Facebook, the Harrisburg Ghostbusters. We occasionally go out when we have free time, go to like bars or go out in public and go to conventions, and we like to suit up. We're just big avid fans of Ghostbusters, and we like to act like kids here and there and feel alive.
My name is Levi Craig. This is my artwork. I call it Watercolor Chaos.
What's it like to get a booth at a con?
It costs a lot, and you have to be a business owner. And it's not about the artwork, it's about the money. So they prioritize you giving them money as opposed to you bringing awesome work, which is what I'm passionate about. I want to produce awesome art. But, you know, the con scene, it's a business, so it has to promote making the money. It's a pain in the butt, but it's a lot of fun.